Alright guys, I got it all sorted out. These are all the ones without games. These are all complete. These are all still sealed. Today we are going to Bell Gardens to go see my good friend William, because he's going to be hooking me up with some machines. What kind of machines? You'll find out. I haven't seen what kind yet, but he's hooking me up with 3 machines. It's about a 40-minute drive. We're going to go down there right now. Hopefully we can get these machines. I don't know if they're going to fit in my car, but we're going to try. And then when we come back, we're going to sort through all these games. Whew, it is a beautiful day today, guys. All right, since my friend William is hooking me up with these machines, I'm gonna be hooking him up with some designs, so that's why we're making a trade. But also, he doesn't know it, I'm gonna be hooking him up with one of these shirts I got. Woo, just made it for him. So hopefully he likes it. So you never been here? It's really popular?
Yeah, it's my first time here.
Your first time?
Yeah.
All right.
Hi, good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning.
Turn left. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
You paused that. Jeez.
I can't do shit.
All right, guys, so we're here, just waiting for him. Just got here. Hopefully he comes out soon. I'm just waiting. What up, my boy? Nice to meet you too, bro.
How's it going, man?
Good, man. How about yourself?
You know.
Yeah, I'm recording, man. I got you on theme.
But yeah, man, look. Yeah, so these 3 right here, and then.
Oh, you got that one, huh?
That's my prized possession.
Yeah.
No, yeah. If it fits in your car, you can take that one too.
Oh, thanks, bro. Appreciate
Yeah.
it. Well,
So look, man, just real quick little history.
Yeah,
this
yeah.
One I got it for like $60. You're gonna have to fix this Mac though.
Oh, really?
This is the Mac you're gonna have to fix.
oh, what's
Okay.
wrong with it? Or?
Yeah, it gets stuck or something.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it gets like it gets jammed. Like but you gotta really twist it.
Oh, I get you. You have to use some force, huh?
Yeah,
Like,
exactly.
yeah, I get what you mean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one right here is my my ugly one.
Yeah.
The Vent Star.
The Vent Star.
It comes with the whole package.
Yeah, I get you. I get
it
you. I
comes
get
with the whole
you.
package, yeah.
Yeah, honestly, I don't even know if I can fit everything in here, so I'll have to kind of,
Mickey Mouse it. Well, we're
Yeah.
Latino, so we gotta fit everything. And then this is right here. This one I got it for some vendor dude down the street actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he has sold it to me. Here are the parts from the bottom. Yeah.
What is this right here?
That's just the back cover.
Oh, it's a back cover.
Yeah,
oh.
he had painted it.
Oh, okay.
I got
Yeah,
this for like $60. I was like, yeah, this is when Jaime Ibanez came out. And
Yeah,
was like, hey,
I know.
Dude, let's make it happen.
When you're getting up,
Yeah.
yeah, that's when I was like buying up everything too. I was like,
Yeah, dude.
just on offer of like
I was
every
buying
day.
everything, yeah.
Yeah, dude,
My
like
wife was
any
like-
little thing.
She was-
Yeah.
I actually just went to one right now. I told you yesterday. I
Oh
went
yeah,
to one,
oh yeah, you just collected from
Yeah,
a machine, right? How did that do?
$90.
90?
$90.
$90 bucks?
$90, dude.
For how long?
For like a month and a half, I think.
A month and a half?
I just left it there.
What the heck?
And the lady
That's
was like,
super good,
The lady
dude.
was like, "Hey, where are you at?" I was like, down the street.
Oh, did she?
Yeah,
she called you?
Yeah, she got kind of like
She
she's
was
a cool
like-
lady, but
Well, like, was it like empty or what did you? What do you have
Oh,
in
I
there?
actually have a picture.
What do you have in there?
M&Ms and Skittles.
M&M's and Skittles. Oh, damn,
yeah,
that's
that
like
one's, like,
empty.
empty.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
I thought this was gonna help me out, but look, man, I just kept buying shit. Man. I was like, fuck, man, you gotta throw 'em away. I was like, you know what? Let me hit up my boy. Hey, sorry for taking so long, man.
Hey, no
I know,
problem,
shit.
dude.
I was like,
this was actually.
this dude is mad, yo.
No,
He's
not
even
at all.
hitting me up. He's not even
No,
letting
I'm
me
like,
know.
man, this guy don't want to give me.
Yeah, that's what he's like.
I'm like, this guy don't want
I
to
was
give
like,
me.
bro, no, like, yeah, dude.
No. Like think about it.
Yeah,
Like,
it's
yeah.
This is my baby right here.
That's right. An actual gumball
In
machine.
the best shape, but
Yeah, no, I get you.
I have the keys for all of them, though. So
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. That's like the important thing to actually have
they
the
just
keys.
kinda stiff. You really gotta play with it a little bit. And it goes all the way here in the back.
Awesome.
Really gotta,
Well, look, this is what everyone wants to see. The
everyone
profit
wants to
from
see that.
today. Damn.
29.
91? This is 91 right here?
Right there.
Woo. See how heavy this is. Use this for a party?
Yeah. One of my coworkers wanted it.
Okay. Oh, the wheels are still in there. You just said this mech's jammed. Oh, yeah, I can see it kind of stop. Might just be something blocking it.
Yeah, you gotta take it apart though.
Yeah.
Look, man, and then this key is for both of these mechs.
Oh, for both of those?
Yeah. This is for the Vendstar.
Yeah.
I remember. This is for that.
Is there any money in it? We already forgot some quarters. This one?
Oh, yeah, this is. I guess you gave me 2 keys.
Oh, this one's dope, dude. I like this one a lot.
Yeah, you know what? That one was. Oh,
like
that one
this
was my prized possession right there too.
Yeah, I like the trays. They're bigger.
Yeah,
I mean, they're not so high, but
yeah, exactly.
I like how this whole thing opens up.
This is Ciega.
Yeah, I've almost got one before. All right.
Fuck it. Well, good thing I work. I can ship express.
Should have locked it.
No, I should have locked it.
Hi.
Eh,
How's that going?
it's going all right. Scratching at my stuff.
Jimmy it in.
Jimmy it in. There's one. Let's see if we can get the rest.
Oh, buenos días. ¿Cómo está? These are like the videos you see that people always getting like parts from different.
Yeah, I know. That's
There you go. This is gonna hit 100,000 views. Watch. Then you'll be like, hey, yo, Will, help me out,
Picking up
yo.
candy machines from the hood.
I don't know about that.
Got everything in there. There it is right here, guys. Got it in there. Dope. Hell yeah, there you go. That's for you right there, my boy.
Appreciate it. Was that a picture or was that video?
Now this video right here.
Right, yeah, thanks. The real one's right here.
Real one. No, yeah. Hey, thanks, bro.
Appreciate that, man.
Appreciate you,
Yeah,
man.
everything is camera, man. Here you go.
Both of them. All right, guys, we made it home. I'm gonna go ahead and load this. It's a lot dirtier and dirtier than I thought it was gonna be. So let's get these out. Okay. This he did not even tell me about. He just kind of dropped it on me at the last second, so. Yeah, a lot dirtier than I thought. This is probably the only one that's gonna like work out here.
Comment below if you guys think Brandon needs help.
Free Vendstar if anyone wants to drive down to Pomona, California. This might be so thing
That
is,
thing's broken.
Huh?
This thing's broken. Ugh, oh no! Oh my goodness. That's nasty. Ew, look at my nail now. That's nasty.
Okay, hold this.
What if a spider comes out?
Get bit by a spider.
Spider girl, spider girl.
Deborah, Spider Girl does.
When I saw them at first, I was like, what the fuck is he trying to give us?
Yeah.
I was like, why did Brandon say yes?
Yeah.
So good though. It sucks that this is like not the best. Right here.
Alright guys, this is one of the machines. It is a triple head. It is a Sega, something like that. But this is kind of loose right now. I haven't closed it properly. But yeah, he said everything works, but he said this one gets like jammed a little, so I'm gonna have to test this out, see what that's about. But yeah, this thing's really dirty, so I gotta clean it. We already took out the little money containers. Here's the inside. It's really dirty in here. I don't know what these are. They come out. I can see up in there. So yeah, I'm gonna probably take this inside, clean her up, see if we can bring it it back to life a little bit. Oh, what that is right there. That's an old piece of candy. Ooh. All right, guys, check it out. This is my new machine. I already cleaned it up. It is looking pretty nice. I like that it's all like, you know, really strong metal because, you know, you can't really get damaged that easily. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and throw our labels on from candymachines.com. Granny Brown, thank you very much. And yeah, I think it's gonna look super sick, so I wanted to get it on film. I think we're gonna put the double bubble over here. Shake it out. Let's go ahead and get the others on there. Awesome. Next is the peanut M&Ms. I like that it has all the nutrition facts. I especially like these warning labels. I think these are gonna come in handy a lot, so thank you, Ernie. Yeah. See if we can get it worn out. Boom! One hand, guys. Looking awesome. The last one we're gonna do is Skittles. Bam! Check that out, guys. What a difference. Awesome. I'm gonna be putting these warning labels as well because, you know, it can't ever be too safe. All right, guys, this is the finished product. I even got everything to work really good. Everything is all cleaned out. I got the labels on there. It is looking super clean. We completely transformed this machine. It was a mess. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Next video, I will be looking for locations. We will be getting this eBay series started with all the games I found. Really excited for that. I've already posted a bunch of them. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm Brandon B. And that's gonna be it for me. Peace out. I know you don't want to go, Kiwi, but we have to.